Hi, let's start with the very important lesson, okay, in division. So we are going to learn flag method, okay. So you see I have drawn a flag, okay. So this method exactly works like a flag method, exactly like what we have drawn in this flag, okay. So I'm just showing you the steps of this flag method, okay. So I'm going to tell you this flag method in uh, like first I'll tell you the 2-digit divisor, then I'll tell you 3-digit divisor, then I'll tell you 4-digit divisor, like this, okay. So first in this here I'm just taking a number. Let's take a number 789 and divided by, let's take a 2-digit divisor first, okay. So I'm just taking here 21, okay, 21, okay. So this divisor, okay, will break in like this, okay. 21 will be written like 2 down and 1 up, you see, 1 up. So this 1 up is, this is called flag, which is in the power, okay, and this 2 is called pole, okay. So this 2 and 1, it's not, don't consider this as 2 to the power 1. It's not 2 to the power 1. It's not 2. It's not 2, okay. It is, it, you can pronounce this as 2 and 1, 2 down and 1 up, or 2 and 1 simply, okay. So uh, let's see uh, what happens, okay. Let's see what happens when you're trying to bring down the answer, okay. Okay, so I'm just writing it, okay. So uh, so what I'm doing, I'm writing this 2 down and 1 up, okay, and I'm writing 7 8 9, okay, right. So what is the first step? The first step, this is the format, okay, of uh, kind of division. Normally what happens, like normally we do, right, like 21 down, 21 here, 78 79 here, and then we divide, okay. But we are not using like this, we are using this, okay. So in this, see what happens. So we drop, we write this 7 is there, right. So this 7 will be divided by 2, means you this in this method, this 2 or the pool, you can write down, put a star mark and write pool is the new, pool is the new divisor, okay. Pool is the new divisor, as it was supposed to divide by 21. We are not dividing by 21, we are dividing by 2, which is the pole. You can write down pole is equal to 2, flag is equal to 1, okay. Now first thing we have to do in this case, like as flag is of 1 digit, we'll put a line, we'll put a line in the last, from the last 1 digit, okay. So see the steps, this 7 will be divided by 2, this 7 will be divided by 2. So quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Always remember that whenever you're dividing, try to find the quotient and remainder. So quotient is 3. See where I'm writing the quotient. Quotient I'm writing here, and remainder I'm writing in the next digit down. Means next digit is 8, down of that. Okay. So I'm writing the remainder 1 here. Okay. So this 1 down and 8 becomes 18. Okay. 1 down, 8 up is 18. Okay. You can write it down. So the next step, okay. 18 minus 1 cross 3. 18 minus 1 cross 3. 18 minus 1 into 3. 18 minus 3 is 15. This 15 will be divided by 2. So quotient is 7. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 7. Remainder is 1. I'm writing here 1. Okay. Done, right? See the next step. Next step is this is 1 down, 9 up. So it's 19. So next step, 19 minus 1 cross 7. 1 cross 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. 12 by 2. 12 by 2, quotient is equal to 6 remainder is equal to 0. Quotient is equal to 6, remainder is equal to 0. So you see where I'm writing 0, 0 here at the place of the remainder. And you don't have any number after 9, right? Correct? So you can write 0 here. Okay, you can write here 0. Always remember, if there is no digit, I mean to say, if there is a gap, you can place 0, because gap means 0, or gap means shunya, right? Gap means vacant. So shunya is, for shunya means 0, you just put 0 is called in Sanskrit shunya, right? So you can put that gap with 0. Okay, so now it becomes 0 0. Okay, this becomes 0 0. So our last step, 0 0 minus 1 times 6. This 6. So 0 0 minus 1 times 6 is minus 6. Now we'll stop. Okay, because negative number is coming. And always remember, when negative comes, I'm just writing, this is the rule. Okay, when negative, write down, put a star mark and write when negative comes. Okay, while solving. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to make the changes in two things. You have to change the quotient digits and the remainder. Okay, means quotient digit means whatever the, see, this 6 was the latest quotient digit, right? This 6 will become 6 minus 1. Okay, means the quotient will become quotient minus 1. You can write down quotient becomes quotient minus 1, means 6 minus 1. This 6 will become 5, and remainder will become remainder plus pole. Okay, remainder is 0, right? This is 0. 0 plus pole is 2. So 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, so I'll write this, I'll just replace this 0 with 2 here, and this 0 we don't need to do anything. It's a 20 now. Okay, 20. So the last step, you see here, last step, 20 minus 1 cross 5, because 6 is no more, it's a 5. So 20 minus 1 cross 5 is 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is quotient is 7, and remainder is 1. Quotient is 7, remainder is 1. That's it. Stop down now. Okay, because what we we were looking for, we have got it. So you see 3, first is 3, then it is 7, then line, and then 5 and 7. So the answer is 3 7 line 5 and 7. So this line means what? This line means decimal. So the answer is 37.557 actually. Means you can say 57. Okay, always remember that when negative comes while in doing this, in this process. So the quotient, okay, so the, you can see here, I'm just pointing out here, quotient here, this one. Okay, so quotient becomes quotient minus 1, quotient digit. Okay, and remainder becomes remainder plus 4. Okay, so this is very important, because there is a chance of negative coming. Okay, several times. Okay, so we can make the changes here and we can move on. Okay, so in this case, in this sum, our answer is 37.57. Okay, please make a note of this, because the steps are a bit new, very much. Okay, so it will take a bit time to grasp what is happening, and once you know that this is the flow of this sum, because the steps are quite of repetitive, right? So once you understand that, okay, this is happening, then you can do it very easily. Okay, so let's do one more sum. Okay, of 2 digit. Okay, this was 21. Now I'm taking, let's take another number. Okay, so I'm just writing 67059 divided by, I'm checking the number, let's take a 52. Okay, so according to the rule, 5 down and 2 up, 2 up. Okay, then 67059. Okay, so first thing first is that we have to, as our flag is of 1 digit, so we'll put a line from the last 1 digit and we start the process. So first step is, this 6 will be divided by this 5. 6 divided by 5, quotient is 1, remainder is 1. So quotient is 1, quotient is 1 here, and remainder is 1 here. Okay, now this is 17. We'll do that. 17 minus 1 and 7 means 17. Okay, so 17 minus 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1. 17 minus 2 cross 1 is 2. 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 divided by this 5, this 5, this 5. Every time, always remember, every time we are dividing by pole. So here pole is 5, flag is 2. This is the flag. So 15 by 5, quotient is 3, remainder is 0. So quotient is 3 here, remainder is 0 here. Correct. Next step. Okay. So you see there was already 0 in the up and 0 down. So it becomes 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 2 cross 3. Okay. See, every time we are doing the repetition, right? You see? Same step. 0, 0 minus 2 cross 3 is 6. 0, 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Now you see, we have got negative, right? So according to the rule, Q will become Q minus 1 and remainder will become remainder plus pole. Okay. So this Q digit will become 2, 3 become 2, and this 0 will be this 0 will be added to the 5. So that will become 5. Okay. Now you see this become 50, right? Next 50 minus 2 times 2. 50 minus 2 times 2. That is 50 minus 4. That is 46. 46 by 5. Quotient is 9. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 9. Remainder is 1. Okay. Next step. This is 1 and 5. 15. 15 minus 2 cross 9. 2 cross 9. So 15 minus 18. That's again negative, right? Negative here. So negative came, so this 9 will become 8. Okay. And this 1 will be added to the 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So let's write it 6. This one, let's use black pen. Okay. 6. Okay. So 6 and 5. Next step. 6 and 5. 65 minus 2 cross 8. 2 cross 8 is 16. 65 minus 16 is 49. 49 divided by 5. Quotient is quotient is 9. Remainder is 4. Quotient is 9. Remainder is 4. You see, remainder I'm writing the next digit down. So next step, 49. 49 minus 2 and 9. 2 cross 9. 2 cross 9. So 49 minus 2 cross 9 is 18. 49 minus 18, which is 31. 31 will be divided by 5. So quotient is 6. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 6. Remainder is 1. Right? Now, as I said, like in the previous sum, 9, after this 9, there is nothing, right? We'll put a 0. So this becomes 10. I'm just writing the last step. 10 minus 2 cross 6. This 2 and this 6 will be cross. 2 cross 6, it's a negative, right? This 6 will become 5. Correct. That's it. Done. So this 6 will become 5. Now we will collect what are the numbers coming. Now you see we are getting 1, 1, then 2, then 8, then 9, and then 5. 1, 2, 8, 9, and then after that line, and then 5. Correct. So the answer is 1, 2, 8, 9.5. Correct. Okay, right. Clear, right? So yeah, means this method is quite obviously it's not an easy one, right? But definitely you are going to make this, as I said, this is my one of the favorite method in this course. Okay. And see, literally means I found it very fascinating about the logic. Okay. And it works very efficiently. Okay, you can get all the answers what the calculator gives when you keep going this. Okay, so Let's do now, as we have seen a couple of sums on 2 digit. Now I'll move into the 3 digits. Okay, so I'm just showing you one sum of 3 digit. You can copy down. Okay, and so basically you have to follow the steps whatever has been taught. Okay, and keep doing the practice in the next, whenever in this course, whenever I have finished any lessons, I have put particular question sets, practice sets, so that you could practice your whatever has been taught. And along with that, just after that, we have put a test, so that you could write down, so that you could check like how much you have understood, how much you could do, along with the speed. Okay, we have to do that test in a particular time frame. Okay, so you can see yourself. Okay, now let's go and do for 3 digit. Okay, let's see. So I'm taking a fresh sum. Like, so the question is 12067 divided by uh, 223. You see, 223 is what? It's a 3 digit, right? Correct. So in the 3 digit, always remember in this 223. Okay. So I'll break this 223 in this way. Okay, you see, uh, 223. This two, the left two, will become your pole, and this 23 becomes flag. Okay, you can write it down. This 2 becomes pole, and this 23 becomes flag. Okay, and see how we do this. Okay, so like this, 2 down, 23 up, and then for a line 12067 Okay, so now you see the steps. As I said earlier that this flag is now 2 digit. So we'll, first thing first is that we have to put a line before 2 digit, as the flag is of 2 digit. Earlier the flag was 1 digit, so we're putting the line before 1 digit from the right side. Now it is 2 digit, so we'll put a line before 2 digit. Okay, now we'll start the process. So we have 12 here, which will be divided by 2. Every time we'll divide by 2. So I'm writing from here 12 by 2. Quotient is 6, remainder is 0. Quotient is 6, remainder is 0 here. Now we have 0 0. Okay, step 0 0 minus. Now you see, as we have 6, 6 is a single digit in the quotient place, right? So till we are having single digit, we'll only take 1 digit from the flag, like this 2, this left 2. So we'll do 2 0 0 minus 2 cross 6, which is negative 12. Okay, negative 12. So if you remember negative is happening, then what happens? Negative happens, then this 6 will become 5 according to the rule, and this 0 will be added to the 2, this 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So right here 2. Now this is 20. So write 20 minus 2 cross 5. 2 cross 5. So this is uh, 10. 10 divided by 2. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Correct? So see the next step. This is 0 6, right? Now you see, now we have got 5 and we have got another 5. Now we have got double digit, right? See the rule of this double digit. So see the next step, 0 6, this 0 6 I'm talking about, minus, minus. So we have got double digit in the flag also, right? 23. See here. So we'll write double digit 23 here, and double digit quotient 5 5 here. Okay, and we will do, if you remember the vertical crosswise, right? If 2 cross 2, like 12 cross 32, the second step was this cross and add, right? So here also we'll do exactly cross and add. So we'll write 0 6 minus 5 cross 2 10 plus 5 cross 3 15. Okay, so see how much is coming? 0 6 minus 25, which is coming negative, right? And negative coming means what? This 5 will become 4 according to the rule. This 0 will become what? 0 plus 2. Again, it will become 2. So I'll make it change, and it's 26 now. I'm writing this next step. 26 minus 23 up and 54 down. Okay, so cross and add. So 26 minus 8 plus 15. Okay, so that's 23. 26 minus 23 is 3. 3 by 2. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Okay, now this is using 17. Okay, so if I write the steps, first step, then second, then third, then fourth here, then fifth here, then sixth here, and then I'm writing from the seventh here in the left hand side. 7. 17 minus 2, 3 up, and see the latest two digit. Okay, we have to take the latest two digit, which is 41. This 41. 41 down here. Okay, and we'll do cross and add. 41 cross and add, so 17 minus 2 cross 1, 2, 2 plus 12. Okay, 14. 17 minus 14, 3. Again, 3 by 2. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Again, it is 17. So, almost the last step. 17 minus 23 up and 1, 1 down. Okay, the latest two digit is 1, 1. 1, 1 down. So, 17 minus 1, 2 cross 1 plus 3 cross 1. So, 17 minus uh, 2 cross 1, 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 17 minus 5 is 12, 12 by 2. Quotient is 6, remainder is 0. Quotient is 6 here and remainder is 0. Okay. So as we have nothing after this 7, so we'll put a 0. And definitely when we are going to do the next step, the ninth step here, 0, 0 minus 23 up and 1, 6 down. So we will get negative. Whatever it will come, it will get negative because it's a 0, 0, right? 0, 0 minus any number is negative. So this 6 will become 5. Okay, and we'll stop now because the answer has got. Okay, so see what is the answer. I'm just writing in a box. Okay, 5, 5, this 5 first, then this 4, 5 become 4, so 4, then 1, then another 1, but after the we have a line first, 1 and then 5. Okay, so the answer is 541.15. Okay, clear, right? This is our answer. Okay, so oh yeah, nice. Yeah, good. So this was a very kind of calculative sum, obviously, and so if you can see that how much patience is required in this process, right? And there is a lot of focus also required. Okay, so you'll see that you can increase your focus by doing this kind of activity. Okay, by doing this method especially. Okay, so we have done in this lesson 2 digit and 3 digit of flag method. In the next lesson I'm going to tell you the 4 digit, okay, divisor. Okay, and and obviously especially for this method, please 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 do a lot of practice in this method because this method is something very new and it's a challenging method, definitely. Okay, so you have to put a little bit extra effort in this. Okay, so okay, and I'll catch you in the next class. Bye bye, take care, good day.